Take a look at this. This is how I made over $2,000 in affiliate sales from a passive income stream that took less than 1 hour to make. Now, I didn't spend any money on advertising, I didn't leverage any contacts or influencers, and I didn't even use my own website to generate these kind of results. Now, this was all achieved using nothing but free traffic sources and free tools, and of course, some clever marketing. Now, my name is Mick Meaney. Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. And listen up, okay? I need to clarify something with you so you really do understand the truth behind these kind of results. So this is not get rich quick. You already know that I hate that kind of stuff, and I know hate is a strong word, but I stand behind it. I cannot stand get rich quick. So this is not that, okay? This is a single affiliate income stream that took about an hour to set up, and I did that a year ago, and then I intentionally forgot about it and moved on to the next. So the fact is, this revenue was generated over the course of a year. So what you need to ask yourself now is, well, because these type of passive income streams are so quick to set up, how many would you make? Okay, so let's say if you start right now, start today, how many of these passive income streams could you have up and running by the end of the day? How about over the next few days or a week? I want you to ask yourself, how much money could you make by this time next year? I think that's something to really think about, because it's all passive, it's all free. And as far as I can see, there's very little reason to not do it. Okay, now, of course, some of those streams are going to make money. Some will do better than others, and some might not even make anything. If you want the best possible chance of success, then do hang around until the end to grab my free traffic methods. I'll tell you all about that later on. Okay, so to make this really easy for you, I'm going to show you the exact affiliate offer that I promoted. It actually sells like crazy because it really is amazing software that practically everybody needs. And in fact, you can also use this for free if you don't have it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I'll also show you how to access done for you affiliate sales funnels. So you just deploy them. They're already done, they're already made. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up a new browser tab, and we need to go to this website. So I will put a link to this in the description, but it's systeme.io, very important bit, /Profit Copilot. Now, when you go to this specific link, it will give you a launch kit. So it's going to give you the free funnels that you can just take and deploy. So put in your email address here, click get started for free, and then it's going to take you to this page, the launch kit. This is really important. So here it's going to give you 2 funnels to use, an email sequence, and a website template. So even if you don't have a website, don't let that hold you back. This gives you practically everything you need. And then once you're all signed up, go to your account. It's also going to give you access to this funnel builder for free. And it's also going to give you a free course on how to build a 6-figure business. So it's giving you practically everything you need to get up and running. Now, if you're not familiar with this software, let me just give you a real quick overview, because I have covered it before, so I don't feel like I need to take a massive deep dive into what it can do. But essentially, it's a series of tools, much like ClickFunnels, Kartra, or Kajabi, except it's a fraction of the price, and it is just as robust. So if we take a look at the pricing, you can sign up for free. I recommend going to the link in the description, because you're going to get access to all that free stuff. And if you want even more, then prices start from $27 a month, which is like 10 times less than ClickFunnels. Okay, once you've gone to the link in the description and you're all signed up, you will now get access to these funnels inside your dashboard. So these are free to use. You can run them as is if you just want to get up and running really quickly. Let me walk you through what you've got access to. So this is a ready-made funnel that you can deploy. It's financial freedom for the rest of us. Let's take a look at what you get. So you're going to get a video included that's going to help drive conversions. You've got a squeeze page, you've got a payment order form, a couple of those depending where in the funnel the sales are generated, and you've also got a thank you page so people can grab their download. So let's start with the squeeze page. Let me show you what that looks like. Now, what I want to highlight about this is it's already got the copy done for you, so you don't need to hire a copywriter. And listen, you can also modify these templates, these sales funnel templates, to promote something else if you want to. In fact, there's a whole heap of ready-made funnels available for you. So the important points here is we've got the hero image there, we've got the headline, we've got the subhead, we've got the bullet points that summarize what people will get access to, makes it very easy for them to make an impulse decision to opt into the email list. This is your email list, by the way. So you can replace this form if you want to, but it's already done for you. Okay, listen up. This is really vital if you want to build a successful business, okay? You need to have your own assets. This gives you the assets that you need. So for me in my business, email is the big driving force. That's the big engine that runs my business. And here, it allows you to build an email list that you own and you control. So you can take that elsewhere if you need to at any point in the future. It's your email list, it's your asset. And that really is the profit engine behind affiliate marketing businesses. And I understand that some people don't want to have an email list, some people don't want to have a website, and they rely on things like social media. Social media is a dangerous marketing channel to invest in because they're not your leads. This funnel system allows you to build a database or an email list of your own leads. So that means you can promote to them anytime you like. Think about how powerful that can be. Okay, so we've got the squeeze page, we've got the opt-in form. Let's take a look at what happens after they opt in. So they will land on this page. It's going to give them a video breaking down a financial freedom formula. Now that's going to motivate them to take more action, to upgrade to the rest of the course. Here we have a payment page. Here it's going to ask them to take action quickly. It offers a big discount. Let's take a look at what else you get. You also get this payment page here. Let's take a look. Now it looks similar to the previous page, but this is what they get once they watch the video. So notice here on this payment page, this is what they get after the book opt-in. This is after they watch the first video. So I hope that makes sense to you. So you have two ways to get conversions in this funnel. That's very powerful. Let's take a look at the thank you page. So once payment has gone through, this is what they access. This is how they get the purchase. And that's it. That's about as simple a funnel as we can get. And this has been proven to convert. So you are practically guaranteed to get decent conversions if you get the right traffic to your funnel. Let's take a quick look at what else you're going to get in the launch kit. We've got this business coach turn 1 hour of work a week into $2,000 a month. So let's take a look at the squeeze page here. So all you do is you drive traffic to this page. Again, we've got the same components as the other page. And vitally, we have that opt-in form so you can build your own asset, your own email list. Let's take a look at the first video. There again, it's pretty much the same as before. The content is different. And then let's take a look at the thank you page. Same as before. And then the payment page. And there you go. So it's a pretty robust funnel. A couple of really good funnels there. And you're also going to get access to this sales page template. Let me show you that. I really like this because it just tells you what you need to say and where you need to say it to produce high converting copy. So take the time to explore this in your own time, at your own pace. Again, it's a proven to convert template. This formula absolutely works. And it makes sense for them to give you stuff that works because if it works, you've got reason to continue using this platform and upgrade as time goes on. So why is building your own email list vital to success? Well, as I said previously, you can promote anytime you like. Now, I know that there is concern or worry when you're first starting with email marketing. What do you say? When do you say it? How do you craft your emails? Check this out, okay? So on the resources page, the Launch Kit resource page, it's going to give you an email sequence that you can take. And as you can see, they're designed to work with the funnels that they've already given you. So they have made it as easy as possible for you to promote this platform. The really cool thing is when you sign up for this, you're also enrolled in their affiliate program automatically, because of course we're concerned about commission. So this is going to give you a generous 40% lifetime commission. You're going to earn 5% second tier affiliate commissions. There are no conditions and anyone can be an affiliate. So this is what has worked for me. It's made over $2,000 from very little work over the course of a year. Of course, you can set up multiple income streams. That's a smart thing to do so your income grows on autopilot. So the link is down in the description if you want to grab the free launch kit. Plus they have other products that you can promote for them. They do convert. I've seen that myself through the affiliate funnel. People buy this stuff because it's good content. It actually helps people. It really is beneficial. And that's why I've got no worries about promoting these guys as well, you know. In all, I really can't see a reason why you wouldn't want to grab this, because these funnels are so quick and easy to create. But listen, the really important thing here, just like with any marketing strategy, well, you're going to have to be consistent, right? Because when you are consistent, you can achieve amazing results. Take a look at what one of my students has achieved. He's called Matt. He has made over $2 million using my traffic methods. Now, if you want to know the secret and you are serious about this stuff, then I will give you the free traffic methods that I never share on YouTube or anywhere else for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic and grab that free course. Okay, I hope you found this useful. I hope you use it to make lots and lots of money, and I will see you again very soon. Take care.